In behalf of my classmates in BSN1, we wish you life's biggest joy and never-ending bliss. Again, happy birthday, Sir Anthony!
Happy birthday, Sir Anthony Francisco. On behalf of BSN3, I wish you peace, joy, and fulfillment in every aspect of life. Your dedication and hard work inspire many. Wishing you the best year ahead, sir. Happy birthday, sir!
Happy birthday, Sir Anthony D. Francisco, our President. Your unwavering dedication, visionary leadership, and tirelessly efforts to uplift our school inspire us all. May your special day filled with joy, laughter, and the same kindness and energy you bring to everyone around you. Here's to celebrating you and the incredible impact you've made.
Happy birthday, sir!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sir Anthony from BSN4.
Happy birthday, sir. May your special day be as amazing as you are.
Happy birthday, sir. Wishing you a happiness and successful year ahead.
Happy birthday, sir. Wishing you a good health and a long life.
Happy birthday, sir. Wishing you an endless joy, great health, and continued success.
Happy birthday, sir. May you be blessed with wisdom, good health, and success as you continue to lead our school with excellence.
Happy birthday, Sir Anthony. Wish you all a good health.
Hi, sir. Good afternoon. This is Francis San Nosori Jr. from BSN4. I really hope you have a joyful celebration with your family, and I do really wish you continue to inspire every student of Immaculate Conception College Albay to be a respected and successful person like you, sir. Enjoy your day, sir. That's all.
Hi sir, I am Farian I. Margallo, a 4th year nursing student. I want to say a happiest birthday and wishing you a year of wisdom, happiness, and health.
A blessed birthday message to our beloved, energetic, and dignified man, President Sir Anthony D. Francisco. This is a day filled with God's blessings, graces, and joy, often including prayers for a long, joyous, and peaceful life. May your hopes for a year ahead of peace, your good purpose in life, and the fulfillment of your dreams will tailoring it to your good friends and your family members.
Happy birthday po, Sir Anthony!
From the Office of the Assistant Dean and Staff, the TESDA, and Caregiving Office Personnel and Cashier Department. Thank you very much, and God bless you more.